Energy-efficient home tips with Samsung SmartThings. Save money and help the planet. Imagine a home that not only simplifies your daily routines but also helps you save money and protect the planet. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Samsung's innovative smart home technology, that dream is within reach. From seamless integration with the SmartThings app to intelligent appliances that learn your habits, you can make small changes that lead to big impacts. Want to cut down your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy a smarter lifestyle? Let's explore exactly how you can do it, one step at a time. Kickstart your journey by connecting your appliances and devices through the Samsung SmartThings app. This powerful tool helps you monitor energy use and set routines that make managing your home effortless. Whether you're prepping for a dinner party or just winding down, activate SmartThings Energy to see which gadgets sip the most power and receive personalized tips for smarter consumption. Did you know that your device's carbon emissions fluctuate throughout the day? You can even track your home's electricity-related carbon footprint to make informed decisions that benefit both your wallet and the environment. Many Samsung smart devices, including refrigerators, TVs, washers, and dryers, are equipped with AI energy mode. By enabling this feature, your appliances analyze your usage patterns and optimize their energy consumption in real time. For instance, your Samsung TV will automatically adjust its brightness based on room lighting or dim down when no one's around for a while, saving energy without sacrificing performance. And here's a fun bonus. SmartThings Rewards makes saving energy rewarding, literally. Earn points for every 400 WH saved and redeem them for benefits. You can even enroll in Flex Connect to earn extra rewards during peak load times, supporting a healthier grid while filling your pocket. Want even more control? Set up routines that turn devices off when not needed and manage everything remotely. Perfect for busy days or travel. Plus, a special Earth Day themed routine can help you start your day on an eco-friendly note with just a scan of a QR code. Samsung's commitment to sustainability is clear, with over 600 Energy Star certified products, including a majority of dishwashers, refrigerators, and laundry appliances, making energy saving simple and accessible. And when it's time to upgrade or declutter, Samsung makes recycling your old devices easy. Over 1.4 billion pounds of e-waste collected since 2012 in the US alone. Join us this Earth Month in making smarter, eco-friendly choices. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for tips and tricks, and visit Samsung.com to discover more about our sustainability initiatives and how you can participate. Small steps can lead to big change. Start today and enjoy a smarter, greener home tomorrow.